Introducing the new ADC LCpro-T Wi-Fi app for use with iPad by Apple Incorporated. This innovative new app from ADC BioScientific will add greatly to your experience of using the LCpro-T Advanced Photosynthesis system. How? By not only enhancing data presentation, the app enables you to remotely control leaf chamber microclimate and to monitor your experiments, whether you are working in the greenhouse, laboratory or field. By connecting to LCpro-T through its Wi-Fi access point, the app plots an impressive 14 parameters in real time. The app supports control of chamber temperature, CO2, H2O, PAR, both RGB and white light, and flow rate across all of the ADC leaf chambers. Data sets are automatically saved by the app. All you need to do is name them and add any notes. Files are easily shared to your PC or laptop using a shared folder. Now your LCpro-T can be used for group demonstrations and plant science experiments, safely, easily and quickly. Social distancing can be observed when group working or teaching when necessary. Also ideal for remote fieldwork, the app can lock and secure the LCpro-T screen and power the system down for you. Contact ADC BioScientific or your nearest reseller today to unlock the full potential of your LCpro-T photosynthesis system.